Want to get better answers from ChatGPT? These 5 tricks can help you work smarter in just a few minutes. Welcome to Madplexity. Today I'm going to show you 5 ChatGPT tricks that can save you hours every week. They are simple tricks that students, professionals, business owners, and content creators can start using immediately. Let's get started. Let's start with the first trick. If you spend time writing emails every day, this tip can save you a lot of time. Instead of writing from scratch, you can simply tell ChatGPT what you need and it will create a professional email in seconds. As you can see, ChatGPT has written a professional email in just a few seconds. You can copy it directly or edit it before sending. This is a great way to save time while keeping your emails clear and professional. Trick number 2 is for writing better emails. Instead of saying write an email, tell ChatGPT who you are writing to, and the tone you want. This gives you much better results. Notice how the email is already professional and ready to use. Giving ChatGPT more context gives much better results. Trick number 3 is perfect if you don't have time to read long articles or reports. ChatGPT can summarize long text into simple bullet points in just a few seconds. Instead of reading everything yourself, you can understand the main idea in just a few seconds. Trick number 4 is great if you create content for social media. Instead of spending time thinking about what to write, ChatGPT can turn a simple idea into a professional post. This saves a lot of time and gives you a great starting point that you can personalize. The final trick is using ChatGPT as your personal planner. Whether you are a student, professional, or business owner, ChatGPT can organize your week in seconds. Instead of planning everything yourself, ChatGPT creates a clear schedule that you can customize to fit your own routine.